So, you want to embark on the ultimate motorcycle adventure in 2024? Well, you've come to the right place. I've been riding for years, and I've picked up some essential hacks along the way that will make your long rides more enjoyable and stress-free. First things first, make sure your bike is in top condition before you hit the road. Check the tire pressure, oil levels, and brakes to ensure everything is in working order. The last thing you want is to break down in the middle of nowhere. Next, pack light. You don't want to be weighed down by unnecessary items, so only bring the essentials. A change of clothes, some snacks, water, and a first aid kit should be sufficient. Remember, you can always pick up supplies along the way if needed. Invest in a good quality helmet and riding gear. Safety should always be your top priority, so don't skimp on protective gear. A comfortable helmet, gloves, jacket, and pants will keep you safe and comfortable on long rides. Plan your route ahead of time. While spontaneity can be fun, it's important to have a general idea of where you're going and how long it will take to get there. Make sure to factor in rest stops and fuel stops along the way. Speaking of fuel stops, always keep an eye on your gas tank. Running out of fuel in the middle of nowhere is not only inconvenient, but also dangerous. Make it a habit to fill up whenever you have the chance. Stay hydrated. Riding for long periods can be dehydrating, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout your journey. Staying hydrated will keep you alert and focused on the road ahead. Take breaks. Riding for hours on end can be exhausting, so don't be afraid to pull over and stretch your legs. Take the time to enjoy the scenery, grab a snack, or just relax for a few minutes. Your body will thank you. Invest in a good quality GPS or map. Getting lost on a motorcycle can be a nightmare, so make sure you have a reliable navigation system to guide you along the way. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Be prepared for changing weather conditions. Mother Nature can be unpredictable, so make sure you have the appropriate gear for rain, wind, or cold temperatures. Layering up is key to staying comfortable in all types of weather. Lastly, enjoy the ride. The open road is calling, so embrace the freedom and adventure that comes with long motorcycle rides. Take in the sights, feel the wind on your face, and savor every moment of your ultimate motorcycle adventure in 2024. Ride safe and have fun.